Hello students, today I am going to teach you English poem bridge. So let's read the poem first. Poem bridge. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sails across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Now let's see the explanation part. What is a bridge? A bridge is a structure carrying a road or a path. Here we can understand it more easily. A structure carrying a road over a river or a sea. The poetess Christina Rossetti is enjoying the nature. She sees many beautiful things in the nature, in surrounding, and whatever she has seen, she is mentioning it in the poem. So let's read. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the sea. Now before understand these two lines, I will ask you, do you know what is the difference between rivers and seas? I will explain. River is smaller as compared to sea, and we use boats to cover shorter distance from one place to another. On the other side, ships sail across the sea and cover longer distance from one country to another country, or we can say it as ship go on voyage, that is long trip. Here Christina says that boats look beautiful while sailing on the river and ships look beautiful while sailing on the sea. In the third line she says clouds sail across the sky are more beautiful than boats sailing on the river and ships sailing on the sea. Now let's read it once again. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sails across the sky are prettier than these. I hope these three lines are clear to you. Now let's see the next line. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please. Christina says it is good to see when we look down from the bridge. You can see many things around. Beautiful river flowing, greenery around, houses on the bank of river, boating, fishing, and the list goes on. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. Here bow means curved piece made of wood and joined both the end by a string. But here bow is something different. Here bow is referred to a beautiful rainbow. Now meaning of overtop, exceeding height, about the long trees. So Christina says rainbow is a bridge which start from heaven and comes over the tall trees. Now we'll see the next line. And builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Christina says rainbow is a road connecting to earth. Do you know, children, what is earth? Have you heard about earth? Earth is a place where we live. Earth is a planet where we live. Is prettier far than these. These means best of all the sites mentioned here. Okay. So further Christina says, who doesn't like rainbow? Do you like rainbow? Have you seen rainbow? How many colors are there in rainbow? See in this chart also you can see how many colors are there in rainbow. Yes, there are 7 colors in rainbow. Which are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Christina says, seeing best sight seeing in the nature is rainbow coming from earth to the sky. So let's say it again. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. I hope these lines are also clear to you. So children, once again we will say the poem. Poem bridge. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sails across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. This poetry is written by Christina Rossetti. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you.